It's a burdensome process to raise fish. Anybody that has ever raised fish in their life, they have an aquarium at home. It's a lot of work. If you are going to introduce, for example, fish, additional species of fish into that aquarium, it would be really nice to know whether those fish are going to make it or not, whether they're going to survive with the fish that are there, with the environment that you're providing. If that environment changes, wouldn't it be nice to know that if you introduce changes, what's it going to do to your fish, to your investment? Same applies to aquaculturists, same applies to researchers, same applies to anybody that's going to be doing or working with fish in any capacity. Hi, I'm Bob LeBlanc. I'm the CEO of CleverArium, and we're headquartered right here in San Marcos at Star Park. CleverArium is a high-tech solution initially for aquariums, but it's also applicable to other types of industries and technologies. And it's all about reducing the cost of doing business and giving you high-tech capabilities with artificial intelligence. Generally speaking, this product works through a targeting process. We train the software to look for a certain image. And that image type in this case happens to be a fish, but it could be anything. It could be bacteria, it could be you, it could be your dog, it could be anything. Given enough information about the object, it can make decisions about the object. We've decided to have this business here for several reasons. Texas State University has a research level aquaculture facility here. They've been integral in helping us build the components of our business. Central Texas, particularly the Austin area, and I'll include San Marcos, has become very well known for its acumen in software development, technology, engineering, and we're part of that community. We have access to resources here that we wouldn't have with the exception of probably California. CleverArium was started using fish as the first market to address, but it can apply to any market, and it has no limits to its use. Just like artificial intelligence has no limits to its use. But it is an image tracking application which has very, very widespread applicability. It's applicable to any industry that has any component, any aspect that it needs monitored, visually monitored through imaging applications. What it offers is the ability to quickly train the artificial intelligence. For example, here in Texas, we're cattle country, and that's a lot of work, takes a lot of labor, takes a lot of time, and you want to be able to make decisions faster with ease, maybe requiring less people involved with it. You want to get your cattle to market faster. You want to make sure that mama's pregnancy is progressing properly, but you don't want to ride out there every day to check on her. You could use artificial intelligence in imaging, for example, to monitor it. Our solution, our technology, could take images from the ranch of the animals out in the field and analyze it and make predictions about what's likely to happen with those animals based on current weather conditions or current health conditions, known health conditions of the animals. Think about the possibilities of doing that with not only cattle, but with raising plants, for example, agriculture. You want to watch your plants grow, why not let artificial intelligence watch it grow and help you make decisions about what you want to do? It really doesn't have any limits. It's whatever your imagination can dream up. Probably the easiest way to look at CleverArium and its effectiveness and what makes it so different is that we're able to provide better data to your artificial intelligence application so that whatever decisions you've programmed it to make can be made better and faster and at less cost to you as a user.